Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini kami akan berdialog menggunakan bahasa Inggris untuk mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris sesi ke-3. Hi, I'm Naya. I just joined the sales team today. Nice to meet you.
Hi Naya, I'm Raina from the customer service team. Welcome aboard. How are your first day going?
So far so good. Everyone has been very welcoming.
That's great to hear. Have you had a chance to explore the office yet?
A little bit, but I'm still getting used to everything.
No worries. If you ever need help finding something, just let me know.
I really appreciate that. By the way, how long have you been working here?
Almost 2 years now. It's a great place to work.
The sound is great. I'm looking forward to working here.